morning everyone. So today is my second day here in Bicol और बज रहा है सुबह का 6 at 6 o'clock in the morning, and at the back is the beautiful city of Bicol or Albay I think. So it's a rainy day, but मैंने बुक करा हुआ है ATV tour which will start 7 o'clock. So I'll take a cab or maybe some tricycle to go there, and then I will show you. I don't know how to drive that, but they say no experience is required. So we'll do that. We'll do the adventure and show you around. Let me find one tuk-tuk to go there. They say reach 5 minutes before, but I'll go half an hour before because I don't know where I need to find the Keluk guys and everything. And also I couldn't sleep. I tried to sleep but I couldn't. So maybe I will complete this adventure, then I'll go to sleep. Guys, I got the again tricycle. He's the guy who's taking me. और भाई मैं बिल्कुल भी सोया नहीं है, but it doesn't look like that I didn't sleep. All charged up, but I hope I'm thinking like maybe that will not happen because it's very rainy season. I don't know, we'll see. But that's why I want to reach there on time. Good morning everyone. Guys, I have reached here. It's called Kasaba Ranch or something. Yesterday I also came here, and tomorrow again I will come here because this is one of the attraction, and ATV tour also start from here. So the people told me that if I book through Keluk, I need to contact here, but I cannot see anyone. I think I'm the only one here because it's raining. Then these are the price. Mine is like, I think this combo trial 1250. We'll see. This will be fun. I think no one is there now. Let me see. First thing, you need to fill this form, name, age and the contact number. I will show some video there.
Hello riders, welcome to my Skydrive ATV adventure. Are you ready?
Here they are all set. Helmet लगा के. I had planned for a Sky combo trail which was for 1250, but that is for 20-30 minutes. But most of the people, they are going the highest one, which is 2018 Mayon something, the best place for the view. ठीक है, और 3-4 घंटे लगेंगे, तो जब जा ही रहे हैं तो then I changed that. I paid 1350 extra, and now I will do that one. 3 to 4 hours will drive. Because of rain, look at my helmet. Because of rain, we cannot compromise our adventure. तो भैया ऐसे कुछ आए हैं. अगर बारिश बंद होगी then I will take this. I will take the red one for sure. भैया ये हमारी ATV लाल रंग की, इस पर बैठे हुए हैं. मेरी टोपी वोपी सारी थोड़ी सी भीग गई है, ठीक करके चलते हैं भाई. भैया ये चल रही है एडवेंचर असली वाला. I'll show you in front. ये है मेरी ATV और ये हमारा ग्रुप है, और हम नदी के बीच में हैं. ये हूँ मैं अपनी ATV के साथ, और आपको सामने का व्यू दिखाते हैं, जहाँ पे सामने रहा ज्वालामुखी, और ये सारा आपको जो दिख रहा है, दिस इज ब्लैक लावा. ये जो लावा निकला हुआ है ज्वालामुखी से, वो सारा इधर आया हुआ है. ये देखो सारा कुछ. और ये है हमारी धन्नो, What a adventure. Love it. I got a beautiful view. और हमने इधर जाना है. ये सबसे कठिन इधर की ट्रेल है. ये देखो इनकी फंस गई. ये इधर की ना. This is the longest and सबसे खतरनाक ट्रेल है भाई. कितनी बार मेरी गाड़ी फंसी है. और मजे देखो पीछे हमारे जो और दो गाइड आए हुए हैं. They are very nice, helping a lot. They are doing this type of thing. Let me see. So this is the trail we need to go up, and it keep pouring. Do the adventure in a nice weather, but doing this type of adventure in the rain, amazing. Full storage, guys. After I think almost 2 hours of riding ATV, the red one is mine, and the way was so difficult because it's pouring, it's raining, but the destination is so beautiful. Let me give you a 360 view and then you Alright guys, so we have reached to 2018 peak, and you can see this volcano which is covered with a cloud. This is the nearest you can reach. What a beautiful view, and we rode ATV almost maybe 1.5 or 2 hours to reach here. Whenever you are coming to Bicol, please come and visit and meet John Michael. He is a fantastic guy. It's a beautiful place with the volcano. This is the closest I have reached here with the help of my younger brother, Mr. John Michael. Now we are going back. Guys, we have spent almost 1 hour here at this beautiful place. This place is super clean, super tidy, and because of this lady, she take care of this place very well, and they charge 150 peso environmental fees, which worth it. This is volcano. We were waiting for cloud to move away, but they did not. And this is my ATV. We are going back. Guys, it's time to go. भैया देखो नदी बदी से होके इन द रिवर हमारी, और ये जाम लगा हुआ है उधर पे चढ़ने के लिए. This is the office where I have started the ATV tour 6:30 in the morning. Now it's around 11 o'clock. It was 5 hours, the longest ATV ride tour you can have, and I had the best time so far. Must visit, must try place.